In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to enable Face ID lock on WhatsApp. Enabling Face ID lock on WhatsApp is crucial for enhancing privacy and securing sensitive information, which ensures that only you can access the app, even if someone has your phone. To do this, simply open up your WhatsApp. You will then tap onto the settings logo on your bottom right to access the settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of privacy. You will want to navigate onto the option of app lock. Make sure to enable this option of required Face ID. When turned on, you will need to use Face ID to unlock WhatsApp. This added layer of security protects your personal conversations, media, and data from unauthorized access, reducing the risk of privacy breaches. That's how easy it is to add Face ID lock on WhatsApp.